In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to clear out old unpaid bills in QuickBooks Online. Sometimes you'll see old bills sitting in your books that you know shouldn't be there anymore. Maybe they were entered by mistake, maybe they've already been handled another way, or they just don't reflect your current reality. Cleaning these up helps keep your reports accurate and makes it much easier to understand what you actually owe. We'll walk through how to find those unpaid bills and safely remove the ones that are no longer needed. First, from your QuickBooks Online dashboard, go to the Reports section. This is your main hub for seeing what's going on in your business. In the search bar within Reports, type Unpaid Bills. When you see the Unpaid Bills report appear in the list, go ahead and open it. This report shows all bills that QuickBooks currently thinks you still owe to your vendors. Next, you'll want to make sure you're seeing the full picture. At the top of the report, look for the report period setting. Change this to All Dates, or choose a custom date range that you know will include the old bills you're trying to clean up. Using all dates is usually the easiest way because it ensures nothing gets hidden just because it's old. Once the report refreshes, scroll through the list to find the specific bill you want to remove. Take your time here and confirm that it really is a bill you no longer need. When you've found it, click directly on the bill's link. That will open the bill transaction itself so you can see the details before making any changes. With the bill open, look for the More option, usually at the bottom of the screen, or find the drop-down arrow in the Action area if you're still on the report view. This menu is where QuickBooks keeps additional actions you can take with a transaction. From that menu, choose Delete. QuickBooks will ask you to confirm that you really want to delete this bill. Read the prompt carefully, and if you're sure this bill should be removed from your books, confirm the deletion. Once you do this, the bill will no longer appear on your unpaid bills report or affect your account's payable balance. Repeat this process for any other old unpaid bills that you verified as no longer valid. And remember, once a bill is deleted, it's gone from your records, so always double-check before you confirm.